Chapters. This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Shoup. You're watching the 4 p.m. stock market update right here on TFNN. We're joined by Tim Moore during the show. Make sure to check out that segment. It's going to be on our YouTube channel, Tiger Financial News Network. If you decide to check it out, please consider subscribing and liking the video, as it helps us out immensely. Looking at the SPY, okay, you're off about 1.79%, trading at 572.66. You're having volume shaping up, just about the same that you had yesterday, right? So that is a lower low, at least on the short term, with contracted volume. Okay, this is still elevated volume, I would say, especially considering what we've been seeing through the beginning of the year. So this again can sometimes suggest that you either get a breathe or you get maybe a traversal back up a little bit more. I still think the macro environment is very negative for the market, and I think that will pretty much persist until earnings start getting better, which for our big boys, you have to wait another, quarter for that now. I guess some of the tech guys are trying to talk with Trump and convince him to not do all of this, right? Because it will affect them. And I mean, that will tank the market even further, I just don't see what the bullish case is in the macro scale for the markets. You're trading at 573.01 off 1.73%. Yeah, someone in YouTube said they speed up to the downside. I mean, that definitely can happen. One of the ways that, I at least look at things, and I think a lot of us here at TFNN look at things on a day-to-day basis. When you get so much energy, I mean, the markets can be like a physical system, right? And so you get too much energy expelled one way, there needs to be some kind of, respite, some kind of reprieve until, the trend continues, right? If we see any kind of movement to the upside, and again, if that's, I'm going to assume that is going to be on light volume, because again, I don't see why people would now get out of money market funds and pile their money back into the equity market. But you could still see some movement up over some days. So, if you're doing, zero DTEs bearish, right, you can get into a tough situation with these kind of day-to-day moves, right? Especially when you're getting this contracting volume on new lows. So we'll see what happens. Folks, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day and a great evening. We'll be joined tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. with Tommy O'Brien for the morning market kickoff. It is a fantastic show. Take care. We'll see you then.